Okay, working on a first gen Toyota Sequoia. These are the rear doors here, right? So front door, rear door here. What am I doing? I'm taking out the door check here. So if you guys experience this problem like many other Sequoia owners experience, this door does not stay open. Neither does that one. So to fix this, here's an old door check right here, probably original from Toyota. And I'm going to replace it with this new one right here, okay? Just when you get the old one and the new one, just match them up and make sure they fit. I've actually already installed this to make sure it fits, and it fits. So I'm not going to show you how to take out the door panel or anything like that. There's plenty of videos online that show you how to take off the door panel. If you can't figure that out, you probably shouldn't be working on this anyways. But the replacement parts you need, there's a driver's side and a passenger side, okay? And I picked these up from TRQ. The one for the driver's side is BDA06854. One for the passenger side is BDA06853 for those of you who cannot read. Match these up, make sure that they fit correctly before you install them. They do. And I actually already installed this and it fits real nice like. Just 2 or 3 10mm bolts and nuts right there on top. 10mm bolt, 2 10mm nuts, and this thing is out. So you also have to take out the speaker to gain access to it. So there you go, guys. If your first gen Sequoia rear doors won't stay open when they're supposed to be open, they keep shutting on you, you guys got to replace the door check. TRQ, I'll put links down in the description below. I'm not affiliated with these guys, but yeah, these two parts will work. When you check out and it asks to put your vehicle information in, it's actually going to tell you that it doesn't fit, because these are actually for a second gen Sequoia, but they do fit. I guarantee it. Bundy guaranteed.